Hello and welcome to this Ryobi video series. In this series of videos we're going to be talking about, you guessed it, the Ryobi tools. These are all tools that I've purchased and use myself. This is the first ever Ryobi tool that I purchased. This is a trusty LCCDI 1802 hammer drill, and I think I must have bought this about 2.5 years now, and ever since I kind of been hooked on the Ryobi products, as you can see behind me. So some of these items are new and I picked up recently in some of the clearance sales. Other items I've had for a while now. I think I kind of go back over some of them and kind of take you through it. I tend to take quite good care of my kind of gear, so I'm hoping they're going to last maybe a lifetime. But this series of videos, we're going to kind of go through some of the unboxing of all the products, show you what you get inside and kind of how you should or how you can use them. So I'm more of a DIY enthusiast. I'm not an expert on any of these things. I'm just going to talk to you about kind of why I bought them and why I like them. So Ryobi have been around for a long time. I think it's about 1943 that they were established, and then the power tools kind of market came a bit later. I found out about them, I think it must have been seven or so years ago now. I picked up an AEG kind of screwdriver power set based on recommendations of a carpenter, and I think there is some relationship between Ryobi and AEG, don't quote me on that. And it was about a year or so after that I was using some tools of a colleague, and they were Ryobi, not this lovely lime green colour, which I really do like, but I was really impressed by kind of how powerful they were for a battery powered system. So this here is just a simple 18 volt battery. This one is only 1.3 amp hours. But basically all of the battery powered tools I've used before always lacked grunt. You're trying to put a hole in the wall, it couldn't do it. So I kind of just got rid of them and just kind of switched to just using cabled all the time, and it kind of started to put me off doing some of the jobs unless I really had to, and had to worry about getting all the cables out and everything. And then, like kind of most products, you have a battery for this and a battery for that, and you've got batteries everywhere. But this is the beauty of the Ryobi power tools. Unless something changes, because it's been this way for I think over 10 years, they keep the same battery format. So if you look after your batteries, they should last you a long time. If they end up going pop and you've taken good care of the tool body, you can buy new batteries and kind of just keep on going. So in this video series, that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to talk about each of the different products, why I got them, how I use them. Again, not an expert, but hopefully it helps. And the reason there's so many around me, like I said, some of them I've opened already, some I have duplicates of, some I recently picked up. Over here in the UK, we've got some of the home base sales, so home base stores closing down, and I've been able to pick up some of these items for like 40% off. So I just picked up this saw, just a circular saw, again using the 1X system, and only cost me £60. So again, it's going to be great, I think. And we got some projects that I've been putting off for a while, so hopefully using this kit and the kind of small amount of room I have here in the workshop, we can put it to good use. Also got a hedge that needs trimming, so I decided to pick up this hedge trimmer, which again will work with the 1X system, and really just kind of share with you my thoughts on these products. Again, in this series, if you have used these products yourself, share tips, comments and feedback with the community here, and also if you've not had good experiences, so share that as well. Touch wood, so far my experience has been good. Most products that they provide, at least ones I look at, the 18 volt 1X or 1 Plus system, all have 3 years warranty, and I think I've got about seven batteries. I may pick up some more, but my other plan is I want to do a better job of storing them. So I currently store them kind of in the Ryobi bags, and that's okay most of the time, but then it's not easy to get access to them. So I've started to do some 3D prints of some brackets that I got off Thingiverse, and I can start kind of mounting them to the wall for easier access as well. And I may kind of redo the back area here as well. So thanks for watching, and yeah, join me on this Ryobi tool series. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.